So in this question, a soup tin in the form of a cylinder has a diameter of 7. Okay, its radius is 3.5 centimeters and a height of 10. So let's write down what we know to begin with. We've got 4 diagrams like this. Sometimes by a process of elimination we can get to the answer. So the cylinder is constructed from pieces of metal cut from a tin sheet measuring 23. Here's your 23 across by your 18 down. Which of one of the 4, A, B, C, D, could be the sheet of metal from which the cylinder has been cut? Okay, well, what do we know about a cylinder? We know that 2 pi r, when we cut out the circle that's going to go, so we're going to have this guy here is going to be 2 pi r and this guy is going to be h. So 2 pi r would be helpful to get here. So 2 by pi by r, which is 3.5, is 7 pi. And taking pi as 3.14 or 3.142, 3.142 will give us 21.994, but either one would give us 22 centimeters for this distance around the circumference of this circle here. So we're going to need a piece that's at least that wide. I'm just doing a bit of investigation about, we would need a rectangle then. Probably, I'm just looking at this one, that's 22 wide. And what size is that length there? We try and maybe measure up these guys. That's 23. That's 7. So that would leave 11 here. So that would give us more than enough, 23 by 11. We could get 22 by 10 out of that, which would give us this guy. We have 22 here and we're told the height is 10, so we need a 22 by 10. Should have sketched that first. So we have our 22 by 10, it's definitely that one. Just let's check the other ones. What's this one going to be? Doesn't look like D could fit, but maybe more than one of them could fit. If this is 7, this is 16. We have 18 here, 18 by 16. Like we're going to have to make one of these a 10 to get the height to 10, so we're really out of kilter there. This is 7, this is 7. 7 and 7 is 14, is only leaving 6 in the middle. No, 14 and leaving 9 in the middle. So I have a 9 here by an 18. I have a 9 by 18. That's not going to work. And well, this one here is not going to give me much at all, is it? Even if I estimate that the width here, but we can only go from where it's going to be straight, which is very small, you can see, compared to the dimension. So we can definitely discount that one straight away just from looking. So it looks like just D will give us dimensions where we can get a 22 by 10 to give us 2 pi r being 22 and the height being 10. I don't think we asked anything. Oh yeah, the area of metal which remains. So if we want to put that into one sum, 23 by 18 is what we started with. We have to take away 2 pi r squared, 2 pi by the radius squared, which was 3.5. So that's 2 circles, and we also have to take away my 22 by 10, or you could just write 220. We're just showing the process involved here, the 2 circles, the rectangle and the total. And we can type this straight into a calculator to save ourselves a bit of time. It's very close to 117. I'm going to round off to 117, and that will be in cm squared. And then the capacity of the soup tin, well, the volume is pi r squared, h is 10, so 31.42 by 3.5 squared, 384.85 cm cubed.